It's been an unprecedented 48 hours in the British political world, with Theresa May's time as Prime Minister on the verge of ending. The nation heads into the EU elections today, with polls indicating a big win for Nigel Farage's Brexit party and big gains for the openly pro-EU Liberal Democrats. To add to the chaotic environment, if polls are correct, then the Brexit party is set to become the largest individual party in the European Parliament. However, at the same time, another poll on a second referendum vote, intentions put Remain at 54%, which just goes to show a lot of question marks exist over the reliability of polling. One thing that everybody's confident of is that the Conservative Party is on the verge of a second historic election defeat within weeks, and Labour will insufficiently capitalise in today's elections despite the open goal in front of them. Mr Farage has gone so far to suggest that both May and Corbyn's positions are at risk in what is being billed as a proxy second referendum. The mood in Westminster is fragile, with ministers resigning and failing to support May at her last appearance in Parliament. It has been speculated that her repeatedly defeated withdrawal agreement may not even be put before Parliament after a steady stream of politicians from all parties have publicly stated that they won't back it. The final indignity comes in the suggestion that May will hold back her resignation until just before the European election results to attempt to deflect media attention from the results. Bookies are expecting the pro-Brexit Boris Johnson to take over as Prime Minister, putting no deal firmly back on the table. But a cable of pro-EU ministers looks set to try and block him, pouring petrol on an already raging internal party bonfire. The effects in the market are as you would imagine. Starting with cable, we see that the pair trading below its longer term moving averages. Momentum is obviously oversold, more than it's been since August of last year. As it stands, there have been 14 down days in a row, and last year's low of 124.76 in late December is within sight. On the way down to that level, we can see key support at 126 and below that 125.70. Moving on to the FTSE 100, again we see it trading below the 50 and 200-day moving averages, and momentum is falling. Price is holding currently at the halfway point of the trading range since early March, with precious little momentum. We are sellers for choice.